fill in the blanks. A dash helps us perform various activity. तो इसमें body आएगा. Our body helps us perform various activities. Second point, we should dash old people. What we should with old people? We should respect old people. हमें old people की respect करनी चाहिए. Okay, so now third one is we should not make dash of physically challenged people. Okay, तो हमें किसका मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. हाँ, we should not, हमें क्या नहीं करना चाहिए with physically challenged people? We should not make fun of physically challenged people. Fourth one, our elders become dash with age. So our elders become old with age. So this is the first fill in the blanks. Now come to the second, B. Encircle the odd one out. आपको encircle करना है odd one out. मतलब ये 4 words दिए हैं. In from this 4 words there is one odd one जो आपको बताना है और उसको सर्कल करना है. जो अलग है उसको सर्कल करना है. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट इज ब्लाइंड, डेफ एंड ब्रेल एंड डम्ब. सो ब्लाइंड, डेफ, डम्ब इज अ physically challenged person kind of thing, and braille is a language. So braille will be odd one out. Nose and sign language. So ear, eyes and nose is a part of our body, है ना. अपने सेंस ऑर्गन से है. और साइन लैंग्वेज इज अ लैंग्वेज. तो साइन लैंग्वेज इज अ डिफरेंट. सो यू विल सर्कल साइन लैंग्वेज. थर्ड वन, ब्लाइंड, डेफ, डम्ब एंड डॉक्टर. So blind, deaf, dumb, again a person who is physically challenged or differently able. वो blind होगा या तो deaf होगा या तो dumb होगा. But doctor is a profession. Doctor is a profession which you become after some study, है ना. It's a degree. So doctor is you have to encircle the doctor. Match the following. Okay, so now you have to match the following. So first is eyesight. So the first is eyesight. Eyesight. तो मुझे बताइए eyesight के लिए क्या होगा? Braille, medicine, hearing aid और spectacles. So spectacles will be right answer because it helps people to see properly. Second is ear. So second में क्या आएगा? Braille, medicine या hearing aid. So the hearing aid is the right answer because it helps people to hear properly, those who are not able to. Okay. Third is sick. So when you are sick, what you get? So you get medicine so that you can get recover as soon as possible. So the medicine with so the sick में क्या आएगा? Medicine. So the fourth one is blind. So blind के साथ क्या आएगा? Braille is a language which helps people to read and write. Okay, but it helps those people who are blind. So braille goes with blind. Okay, now D. Answer the following question. Who are physically challenged people? So tell me, students, who are physically challenged people? Okay. So physically challenged students, physically challenged जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, those people who are differently able, कि उनकी body part का. So physically challenged people are those people who are जिनकी body का एक part is not working properly. Their one part of the body is not working properly, and they are also called differently able people, है ना, because they use their strength in a different manner. So physically challenged people are those people whose one part of their body or more than one part of their body is not working properly, and they use their strength in different part of their body. Okay. So the next question is, in what ways we should look after elderly people? So हमें अपने बड़ों का ध्यान कैसे रखना चाहिए? We should look after by loving them, giving them care, not hurting their feelings, and we should give them respect. We should spend more time with them. We should उनको हमें we should take care of their health. हमें उनको importance में सो हमको उनको इम्पोर्टेंस फील करवाना चाहिए that they are part of our family, and they are as important that any member of our family. So this is how we should help and respect to our elders. Okay, so the third question is now, what is Braille? Braille is a language which is used by blind people. They touch, they feel what it is written there, and they speak and write those things. Okay, so Braille is a language which helps blind people to read and learn and write. So it's a language. Braille is a language, and the founder of Braille language is Helen Keller. So now we will go to the third question. Who are called blind people? Okay, blind people are those people जो they are not able to see properly. Okay, जिनको कुछ भी नहीं दिखता, they are called blind people. Their vision is not that strong, so they come in a blind, physically challenged person. Okay, students, so we have completed the book exercise and I have made you understand the question answers. I will share the pictures of question answers. I will share the picture of question answers so you can note it down in the copy, and how you have to maintain the copy, that you have to write keywords and then glossary and then question answers. Okay, so and the post activity and pre activity we have already done. So this is how we have completed the chapter, and soon I will share the pictures of question answers, keywords and glossary, so that you can able to note down in the copies and maintain the copy. Okay, students, now okay, students, now I will conclude the class, and I want you all to revise all those things which I have taught you in the videos and the previous videos.